Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a new project, a 12 volts mini refrigerator. Here are what we need: styrofoam, aluminum foil or sheet. They'll all be cut out with measurements. Peltier module with cooling fans and a DC jack. Also, an LED strip for lighting. For the styrofoam, cut out 20 by 15 inches times 3, 19 by 12 inches times 3, 17 by 15 inches times 2 and 15 by 13 inches times 2. And for the aluminum foil, cut out 19 by 12 inches times 3 and 15 by 13 inches times 2. Glue the aluminum foil on the smaller styrofoam and then place together on the bigger one. Repeat this same process on every other ones, and these are how the finishings are going to look like: the top, the bottom, left side wall, right side wall, and the back. Here's the stand, a cutout from the styrofoam. Glue the bottom on it. Glue the walls to the bottom. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It's your way of supporting this channel and it's free. Now, I made an opening on the top cover for the installation of cooling devices. The cooling fans and the heatsink. Apply the module paste and place on. But wait, how do you know the cooling part of the module? First, peltier modules contain two external ceramic plates separated by semiconductor pellets. One of the plates absorbs heat, becomes cooler, and the other plate dissipates heat, becomes hotter, when a current is passed through the semiconductor pellets. The place with these letters and numbers is the cooling part, while the other side is the heating part if connected correctly. Set the DC jack, put in the cooling device, and install the light. So, here's the wiring diagram. Everything is connected in parallel because they're all 12 volts. From the DC jack, 12V will be input and then power other devices. Finally, I install my DIY mini door. Video in the description, and it's finished. Enjoyed the video? Please hit the subscribe button for us. It's free. Thank you for watching.